Today I am building a Toyota Land Cruiser 79 series. Toyota licensed, so this is a licensed product. The one that I'm building is that one there. I've got to put all the back on and put all the snorkel on and wipers, and this is what it looks like out of the box. There's the sticker kit. That's all the stuff that I've got to put on it. And there's the Land Cruiser 79 series. So it's pretty cool. All the lights work, indicators, reverse lights, and brake lights all work. Spare tire on the back. Just as I was talking before, I've got to put the mirrors, wipers, and snorkel, and all the stuff on the back, and sticker kit. Seeing if my mic's on, I'm working. I'm going to try the snorkel, building the snorkel. That's for the snorkel there. Snorkel goes on there, and then she just clips onto here. I've got to figure out where the Toyota badge goes. Snorkel's on. See the snorkel? Now I'll do the door handle. See, no door handle. And then we've got the chrome for the door handle. There we go. See how the door handle's on there now? Now we just got to put all the stuff in the back. Actually, we'll go headlight first, driving lights. This is the driving lights. Driving lights go down here. Bit hard to get in there. I'll get back to you. Now we're doing the back thing, so I just put that on there. Here they are here. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like before. And that's what it looks like with it on. That's without the mirror. That's with the mirror. See the chrome. Okay, we got the aerial on, got the indicators on, got the door handles on, got all this on, got all the roof racks on. Now we just got to do the stickers, and got the driving lights on, got the wipers on, and got the snorkel on. Now we just got to do the stickers. It's got all the stickers on it, Toyota. All the stickers now. Toyota Land Cruiser. And Toyota on the back. So that's the finished Toyota Land Cruiser remote control car. Thank you and all the best wishes, and I hope your dreams come true. Take care, keep safe.